Hello students, we continue with chapter 10 circles part 5. Now in this part we will discuss some extra questions based on circle. So look at the given figure. A circle is touching the side BC of triangle ABC at P. This is a circle and this is triangle ABC. Circle is touching the side BC at P and AB produced and AC produced at Q and R respectively. We want to prove AQ is half the perimeter of triangle ABC. We want to prove AQ is half the perimeter of triangle ABC. If we look at the figure, perimeter of triangle ABC will be sum of sides, that is AB plus BC plus AC. BC will be broken as BP plus CP and BP is equal to BQ and CP will be replaced by CR. So look here, perimeter is AB plus BC plus CA. AB plus BC is BP plus CP plus CA. BP is equal to BQ, property of tangents. CP is equal to CR. So AB plus BQ is AQ. AC plus CR is AR. But AQ and AR are also equal. Both are tangents from A. So it will be equal to twice of AQ. Or we can say AQ is half the perimeter of triangle ABC. Now, next question number 2. There are two concentric circles with center O and radii 16 cm and 10 cm. AB is diameter of the bigger circle as you are looking in the figure and BD is a tangent to the smaller circle. We have to find the length of AD. Two concentric circle with center O and radii 10 cm and 16. It means OD is 10 and OB is 16 and this is a tangent, so this angle is 90. So first of all, we will apply Pythagoras to find the length of BD. One more result that we will use, perpendicular from center bisects the chord. BD and DE are equal, so we can get BE and then O and D are midpoints in triangle ABE. By midpoint theorem, OD is half of AE. If we know OD, we can find AE and AB is a diameter of the bigger circle. So angle AEB is 90, that is angle in a semicircle. To find AD, now we have DE and we have AE and this angle 90 by the property angle in a semicircle. So we are able to find AD. Now let's do the solution. OD is 10 cm, radius of smaller circle. OB is 16, radius of bigger circle. Angle ODB 90, radius perpendicular to tangent. By Pythagoras, BD is under root 16 square minus 10 square root 156. And BD and DE are equal, so DE is also root 156. Now in triangle ABE, as I have discussed earlier, O and D are midpoints. So by midpoint theorem, OD is half of AE or AE will be 20. AB is diameter of bigger circle and angle AEB is 90, angle in a semicircle. So now we know DE as well as AE and angle E. So it's very simple to apply Pythagoras in triangle ADE. AD square is equal to AE square plus DE square, or it is 20 square plus root 156, that is root 556. After simplification, AD will be 2 under root 139 centimeter. Now question number 3. APB is a tangent to a circle with center O at point P. Angle QPB is 50. We want to find angle POQ. So if we look at the figure, OP is radius and APB is tangent. So angle OPB should be 90 and angle OPQ is 90 minus 50, that is 40. So APB tangent, angle OPB 90 and OPQ is 90 minus 50, that is 40. If we look at the triangle OPQ, this angle is 40 and OP and OQ are equal, both are radius. It means these two angles are equal because angle opposite to equal sides are equal. Each angle is 40. By angle sum property, this angle will be 100. Now OPQ and OQP 40, and in triangle POQ apply angle sum property. POQ plus 40 is 180 or POQ will be 100. Now next question. AOB is the diameter of a circle as you are looking in the figure, and tangent at P, this is a tangent at P, meets BA produced at T. Tangent at P meets BA produced at T and angle PBO is 30. We want to find angle PTA. PBO is given. Now look at the figure. This angle is 30. OB and OP are equal. Both are radius of the circle. This property will be used, very common in the question. These are the two radius. They are equal. It means their opposite angles are equal. So this angle is 30. Now OBP and OPB are 30 each. So angle POA, this is the exterior angle. It is OBP plus OPB, that is 60. Now this angle is 60 and OP and OA are equal, and this angle, this is the radius and this is tangent. This angle is 90, it is 60. By angle sum property in triangle OPT, this angle will be 30. So look at the solution. In triangle POT, angle O we have find out 60 and angle OPT 90, radius and tangent, and angle T is unknown. So angle T is 30, or we can say angle PTA or PTO is 30. So in your homework, you will try some more extra questions of chapter 10 and revise chapter 10. Thank you.